Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be installing my NRG short hub and quick release today. So I'm not going to blabber about it, we're going to jump straight into it and we're going to see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're going to be taking off the airbag assembly. There's no power to this thing, see? No power. I disconnected the battery, so always got to do that first. Now we got to find the tab. You guys might not be able to see this part because of the trouble. The tab location. Broke it loose. There we go. Yeah, so these are gonna have quite a bit of force when you're trying to do it because obviously it's a stock steering wheel's never been taken off since it was made. So yeah, little tip to know. Taking off. It's almost out. Just need to twist on my hand a little bit. Okay, there's the first screw. Time to get this next one. Okay, maybe let's try to tighten it. Yeah, let's try to tighten it. Stupid. So yeah, just that, and the airbag should pop right out after I get this one loose. And then we're gonna keep going. I'm not gonna be running a horn like I said in my last video, so I'm not gonna go through that extra step because I just don't really care. I've never really used the horn, to be honest with you guys, and why am I gonna go through the trouble trying to set one up if I'll not even use it? So airbag should pop off like that. Yeah, disconnect it from the tab. Connect this. Got that part of the airbag off. Ow. I'm gonna try to get this part, the main part. Alright guys, so we got the actual airbag part off. Now we gotta loosen this bolt. I don't know what size it is, so yeah, it's almost there. Okay, now I gotta go to my socket studs. You guys find the size. I don't know what size it is, so I just gotta figure it out. That's too big. All this. Perfect. And then what I recommend you guys doing is marking the bolt where the top is. So if the steering wheel does decide to twist, like not the bolt, but like the centerpiece, I'll know where center is. So if that ever happens and you guys start freaking out, don't freak out. We could, because as long as you mark it, you should be a-okay. Now, here comes a fucking extension. Vantage point on this. Fuck. Huh. Got the bolt loose, so yeah. Fun stuff, man. Now taking the steering wheel off is gonna be even more fun. Can't lose that bolt, it's kind of important. Pull this bad boy out for now. Don't need it this second. Won't need it after I put the short hub on. And see what I'm talking about? You gotta like bash the fucking thing. Fuck, wait. I forgot an important step. Or does it smack me in the fucking face? Tighten that a little bit. Got it. And that's the way you do it. Stock steering wheel come off. My missing something? Some connectors or something? Oh, there we go. Now she'll just pop right off. I don't need this part no more, so I'm gonna have to take off these screws. I'm gonna take off some screws down here. What are they? Secret trick, watch this. Fucking fingers are too dirty for this shit. I think that's a Phillips. Looks like a Phillips. Hopefully there's a Phillips in there. Let's see. Yeah, there's a Phillips in there. Okay. Don't need this anymore, it's garbage. Sorry guys, I'm not talking too much. I'm trying to focus. I don't fuck anything up. So that's why I am not talking that much right now. So don't think I don't like talking. I just... Alright guys, so we're gonna be taking this piece off right here. Figured out how to do it. And my brother Kip's helping me, so go add him on Instagram if you want. Okay, whatever. We'll worry about that later. It's not that big of a deal. I don't need it no more. So now it's time to put stuff together. Here's the hub. Make sure the NRG is facing up. There it is. Okay. And my steering wheel is at a tilt because I'm on it locked, so it's at a tilt. So you can't, and even this thing, you can't. Oh fuck, you can't move it. All right, guys. So I got this bottom plastic piece on. I'm just trying to get this last piece. This piece on right here. Try to clip it on there. Hopefully I can get this piece on. Okay, that side is on. It was on. Jesus, okay. Come on. Oh, that's why. I broke his clip. It's not fun. Whatever, that will do. I broke a clip, so that's not gonna stay on perfect now. Whatever, shit happens. Good enough. Okay, now time to get to the actual quick release part. It's on my steering wheel. Let's see steering wheel. The actual quick release part. This is how it's gonna go on. It's gonna match these. Something like this, because my steering wheel's locked. Have all the bolts and stuff up in here. Hold them. Alright, so let's get this going. And if anybody's wondering why my steering wheel is crooked, why it's coming on crooked, it's because my steering wheel, I locked it on accident. So yeah, see you next month. Don't know why that's showing, but fuck it, whatever. I've been waiting so long to install this, you guys don't understand. I'm so excited, but I haven't had time to install it. So today I was like, fuck it, we're installing it. Because why the fuck not? I'm gonna hand tighten these like this, and then once it's all retained, I'm gonna use the other side so I get more leverage just to make sure they're all tightened on there. Then after that, should be good. Connect the battery all the way, and should be chilling. That annoys me. The clip broke, but nothing I can do about it. I broke it myself, so that's tight. I don't even have a hand out no more. I don't need those. Those are just extra. I'll put them in this bag for you. Okay. It's tight. Here's that baggie. Alright guys, it's done. Now it's here. Let's try it out. Should be good. I use my steering wheel and I can still adjust it and everything, obviously, because I didn't fuck with any of that. Which I'll probably have like right here. Steering wheel is obviously a little bit closer than I'm used to because it's a deep dish one. So if I go like this, that bitch ain't going nowhere. It should be on there. Yeah, that is the steering wheel. Then you just go like this, and you take it off. And you want it back on, you just go like this. Boom, that bitch is on there. So I'm going to connect the battery and everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys. Sorry I wasn't talking very much, so I hope you guys enjoyed. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a deep dish one, so if I go like this, that bitch ain't going nowhere. It should be on there. Yeah, that is the steering wheel. Then you just go like this, and you take it off. And you want it back on, you just go like this. Boom, that bitch is on there. So I'm going to connect the battery and everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helped you guys. Sorry I wasn't talking very much, so I hope you guys enjoyed. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.